In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kickstart your productivity using Microsoft's Copilot. This tool is a fantastic way to streamline planning and management tasks, and today we'll cover how to use it to organize your weekly tasks efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to fire up your web browser and navigate to the Copilot site at copilot.microsoft.com. This is your gateway to a world of smart task management, powered by Microsoft. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft 365 account. Having access to Microsoft 365 ensures you can seamlessly integrate all your planning elements and makes it easy to manage across platforms. With that done, you should see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Locate the notebook icon. It looks like a small notepad, and give it a click. This brings up the notebook interface, which is where all your planning magic happens. Think of this space as your digital canvas for jotting down ideas and arranging your schedule. Now that you're in the notebook, look for the New Page button and click it. This allows you to create a fresh workspace where you can start planning with a clean slate. It's here that you'll set up your first task-related page. To get started on organizing, simply type out the following prompt into the notebook and press Enter. Plan my weekly tasks. Create a table with 5 rows for Monday to Friday and columns for task, priority, and deadline. Fill in sample tasks for a marketing manager. This example will guide Copilot to generate an organized table, providing you with a structured layout that covers all weekdays, complete with columns for the specific details you need to track, tasks, their priority, and deadlines. Whether you're planning for yourself or looking to set an example for your team, this clear layout simplifies task management. Once you have your table, take a moment to review the notes Copilot has generated. It's always a good idea to give it a once-over to ensure everything looks correct and meets your specific needs. If you feel certain tasks or details should be expanded or specified, you can do that by typing in additional commands, such as adding more details to each task. Refining these notes gives you a tailored plan that accommodates all your requirements. Finally, once you're happy with what you've got, make sure to save your work or copy these notes into another tool you're familiar with, such as Word, OneNote, or Teams. Saving your notes ensures that everything you've planned is easily accessible for future reference or to share with colleagues. And that's it. With these steps, you've equipped yourself with the power to plan your week efficiently using Microsoft's impressive Copilot. Whether you're managing a single project or juggling multiple tasks, this system helps keep everything neatly organized and accessible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Copilot to enhance your productivity.